In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF on Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Editing PDFs can often be a tricky and cumbersome task, but Google Drive makes it surprisingly easy. We'll go through each step together, and by the end, you'll be a pro at it. So, let's jump right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. To do this, simply type Google Drive into your search bar and hit Enter. When the search results appear, look for the link with the URL Drive. google.com/drive quota. This is the official Google Drive page where you can access all your stored files. Once you've opened Google Drive, the next step is to log in. Enter your Google account credentials, your email and password, to access your Drive. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you have your device handy to complete the login process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to upload the PDF you want to edit. You can do this in a couple of ways. One option is to use the File Upload button, which you'll find near the top left corner of your Drive interface. Clicking this will open a file dialog box, allowing you to browse for and select the PDF file stored on your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can simply drag the file from your desktop and drop it into your Drive. If the PDF file is already in your Drive, great, we're ready to move to the next step. You'll need to right-click on the PDF file in your Google Drive. A menu will pop up. Here, hover over the option that says Open With. Another menu will appear, and you should select Google Docs. What happens now is pretty nifty. Google Docs will convert your PDF file into an editable document. This means you can now start making all the changes you need. Editing in Google Docs is just like editing any other document. You can modify the text, add or remove images, and make any other adjustments necessary to fit your needs. Take your time to apply all the changes you want. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your modified document back as a PDF. Navigate to the top left corner of Google Docs and click on File. From there, hover over Download, and in the submenu, select PDF Document.pdf. This action will download the edited document to your computer as a new PDF file. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a PDF using Google Drive. This method is efficient and utilizes tools you likely already use, adding a valuable skill to your repertoire. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and edit other PDFs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.